Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free ISO IEC 27001, that is the Information Security Associate certification plus training plus audiobook plus shareable digital badges. So this certificate will be looks like this, and there will be your name will and certificate, professional certification and other details just like a date of completion, authorized signatory. So complete the training if audiobook included, 100% free. So we'll go through the step by step, and here we have a official link. I'll provide you in the description. When you open the official link, this is the official page. So here today only 100% free ISO IEC 27001 Information Security Associate. This is the certification bonus program, and all the are in cross means you are getting free now. So 99 $199. This is $97, $50, and $99. So all are free. So after completing this, there is a skill you will learn. This is the 7 chapters are there. Bonus 2 chapters are there. So you have to complete all the things, and your certificate will looks like this. This is, and there you have to provide the step-by-step process. First step, you subscribe the YouTube channel of the skill front. So you click here, so it will open the channel detail. So here you can just go and subscribe. Next, go to the step 2. In step 2 you can share the this one with your colleagues and peers. And next, step 3, here we can request you access to ISO IC 27001 Information Security Associate. So this is amount free of cost. This is for us, and a summary of the what you are getting. Certification, this is free, $199. You can see this. Ebook, there is a $50. Bonus program audiobook, 97. Shareable and verifiable digital badges, your name will be there. So this is $99. Total is $445, and this is a free of charge now. So enter for your certification. So you have to provide the detail. Just I'm giving Chirag Mahto @gmail.com, your name, and your country. Okay, just register certification for free. When you will click this, you will get this page, and also you will get a email, and same thing you can see there. So here, congratulations, you are getting started, and there's a 1 by 2 steps are there. This is the ebook path. So this is the ebook you can download and you can learn. Everything is there. Internal audit, control owners, next step. So structure of ISO. So this is the ISMS into the corporate control process. So all the details you can find there. Next, audiobook. You can go through the audiobook. Here you can find the YouTube channel and access the examination page, and there is a code. So copy the code. Here also you can see the code. So you can click the access page, and here you have to provide your email address. And paste this and click on access your certification exam. So there is a 1 hour time is there, 7:27 and 8:27 you have to complete this exam. Or there is a total questions, you can see there is a 30 questions is there. After completing this, you will get a mail like this. So there your name, congratulations, and other details are there. So here link my certification. So when you click on this, you'll get a certificate. So skillfront.com certification, and this your certification. So there is a details, and your name will be there, and professional certification is there. This is a completion date and authorized signatory, and your certificate ID is this. So you have to go through the step-by-step process to getting this. If you have found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe for more certification and online courses, cybersecurity updates, and career growth opportunities. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose and only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. No copyright infringement intended. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on chiragmahto@gmail.com and follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box. Thank you.